Good day viewers, in this tutorial today we are going to learn how to calculate time of flight, maximum height and horizontal range of a projectile. So let us read the question. A tennis ball is hit with a velocity of 3 meters per second at an angle of 60 degrees to the horizontal. Calculate time of flight, maximum height and horizontal range. So recall from the question, U initial velocity is 3 meters per second, the velocity of the ball, and the angle of projection theta is 60 degrees. So let's begin with the time of flight. A. Time of flight is given by t equals to 2u sine theta divided by g. So let's substitute the initial velocity is 3 sine 60 divided by 10, so which is equal to 3 times 2 is 6, and then sine 60 divided by 10. So if you phrase 6 multiplied by sine 60 divided by 10, you will get 0.52 seconds. So this is the final answer of time of flight. So B, maximum height. Maximum height is equal to u square sine theta divided by 2g. Recall u equals to 3 square sine, the angle is 60 divided by 2 multiplied by the value of g is 10, so which is equal to 3 square is 9 sine 60 divided by 2 times 10 is 20, so which is equal to 9 sine 60 degree divided by 20 will give you 0.34 meters. So this is the maximum height of the projectile. And then the last is C, horizontal range. Horizontal range is equal to u square sine 2 theta divided by g. Upon substitution, u is 3 squared sine 2 and theta is 60 divided by g is 10, which is equal to 3 square is 9 sine 2 multiplied by 60 is 120 divided by 10, which is equal to 9 sine 120 divided by 10 will give 0.78 meter. So this is how to calculate time of flight, maximum height and horizontal range of a projectile. Thank you. For more videos like this, don't forget to follow me.